In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make Amish-style fermented pickles. Start by gathering your ingredients. You're going to need 1 quart of non-chlorinated water. Combine that with 1½ tablespoons of fine sea salt. Then shake it up until it's dissolved. Add 1 bay leaf. Use fresh dill if you got it. Otherwise, dried seeds are fine. Add 10 to 15 whole peppercorns. And definitely don't forget your hot seeds. Then add a couple cloves of garlic. Then arrange the cucumbers in the jar. And top it off with the brine. Add the weight. These are called burping lids. You don't necessarily have to use them, but they make it a lot easier. This little pump removes the air from the jar. That's it, they're done. Leave them on your counter for 5 days and enjoy them. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.